Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can jailbreak your iDevice. It's very simple and this also works with the latest iOS version. You guys can see right here that I have iOS version 12.2 and I'm going to go ahead and jailbreak my iPhone by going on iOS.jailbreak.pw. So that's iOS.jailbreak.pw. You guys can see me typing it in right here. Go to this website to start the process of jailbreaking your iPhone or iPod or iPad. So check your compatibility and it's going to connect to your iDevice and see if you're compatible for a jailbreak. About 95% of iOS versions and all of the phones are compatible, so you're more than likely to actually be compatible for this jailbreak. So right here it's just checking your specs and making sure you're compatible, so just be patient and wait for this short process and you guys will see if you're able to jailbreak your iDevice. Alright, it says done, and like I said, I have the iPhone X and I have version 12.2, so it's compatible. So what I do here is hit the blue button that says confirm. It says make sure you have a backup of your device. It's always safe to do that. And now you can start the jailbreak process, and what it's here is extracting the jailbreak files, which includes the applications such as CYDIA. So just wait for this extraction to complete and then you guys can proceed to the next step. Alright, so the next step here is you will have to do human verification, and the reason there's human verification is so bots don't abuse this tool and sell the jailbreak. This way it can remain free for those who do this legitimately. And all you have to do here is install 2 apps from this list and follow the instructions below each app you install. So for the first app, I clicked BetterNet VPN Proxy. I'm going to hit go to App Store, and then I'll get a prompt where I can open it in the App Store to start installing this first app from the list. But like I said, you have to install 2 apps from the list. And it doesn't take much time at all. You only have to spend 30 seconds on each app, so don't worry about how long it takes because it's a very short process. And the second app I'm going to choose is Hotspot Shield Free VPN. And if you guys notice, both of the apps you choose will have instructions below the app, and they're very simple to do. And I downloaded 2 VPN apps, as you can see here, Hotspot Shield VPN and BetterNet VPN, and the instructions for both apps just told me to connect to the VPN. Installation is complete. Now you can begin the process. For BetterNet VPN Proxy, like I said, the instructions were simply to connect to the VPN. So I'm just going to hit install profile and then I will be able to connect to a VPN, which it's doing right now. And I'm connected, and now I'll make sure I'm on the app for at least 30 seconds by doing some human interactions on the app. This way I can be sure the human verification will go through successfully. And as you can see here, I'm just navigating through the menus just to make sure I'm on the app for at least 30 seconds. That way I can be sure the human verification will go through successfully. And once I'm done, I can just go ahead and disconnect from the VPN. And I'm just like that, I've completed the first app. Alright, on to the second app, and the second app is Hotspot Shield VPN, and the instructions for this app were the exact same. All I have to do is simply connect to the VPN, which I'm going to do right now by hitting that connect button, and just make sure I successfully connect, and then just do some human interactions and make sure I'm on the app for at least 30 seconds, which all I'm doing, just like the first app, is just navigating through the menus, just tapping along the app and just making sure I'm doing some human interactions to be sure the human verification will go through successfully. This is a very simple process, and like I said, it takes a minute for both apps combined, so it only takes a minute to do the human verification, and once you're done, just disconnect from the VPN. And once you're done with the human verification, you can go ahead and restart your device, so power it off and then turn it back on. And if you completed the human verification successfully, when you turn your app on or your iPhone on, you will have successfully jailbroken it. And you guys can see right here, I now have CYDIA. So just make sure you follow the instructions of this video very carefully and you go on iOS.jailbreak.pw so you guys can jailbreak your iPhone. So I hope you guys enjoy jailbreaking your iPhone. Thank you for watching and have a good one.